Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Super English Lessons.
Hey guys, I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Today we'll help you learn something super useful. How to start a conversation with a girl in English politely and naturally.
Yes, many of our viewers ask, how can I talk to a girl in English without sounding strange?
Don't worry, today we'll show you step by step what to say, how to say it, and what not to say.
Scene 1. The situation. Let's imagine a small story. A boy is walking down the street on a sunny day. He sees a girl walking by. She looks friendly.
He wants to talk to her, but he's a little nervous.
His English is not perfect, but that's okay.
Remember, the most important thing is confidence and a smile.
Step 1. The first words. Saying hello.
The first step is always easy. Just say hello.
You can say, hi, hello, hey, excuse me.
Excuse me is very useful. It sounds polite.
Let's practice.
As boy, excuse me, hi.
As girl, oh, hello.
That's great. Nice and simple.
And don't forget, say it with a smile.
Exactly. Not too serious, not too loud.
Just friendly. Like, excuse me, hi. I hope I'm not bothering you.
Good. That sounds kind and respectful. Step 2. Give a reason to talk.
Now, after hello, you need a reason to continue talking.
Right. You can say something nice, a small compliment or an observation.
For example, I just wanted to say you have a nice smile. Or, I like your jacket. Or, you look really happy today.
But remember, don't say something too personal or romantic.
Yes, don't say, you are the most beautiful angel in the universe.
Yeah, that's too much. Keep it light.
Let's do a little role play.
Example 1. Starting the talk. As boy, excuse me, hi. I just wanted to say, you have a really nice smile.
As girl, oh, thank you. That's kind of you.
You're welcome. I just noticed, and I thought I should say hello.
That sounds perfect. Simple, honest, and friendly.
And the pronunciation of excuse me is excuse me. Say it slowly with us.
Excuse me.
Good job. Step 2. Continue with easy questions. Okay, now the boy doesn't want the conversation to stop.
So he can ask easy, friendly questions.
For example, are you from around here? Do you live nearby? Do you come here often? Are you going somewhere nice today?
These are open, polite questions.
Exactly. Let's try a short conversation.
Example 2. Asking questions.
As boy, are you from around here?
As girl, yeah, I live not far from here.
Oh, nice. I just moved here last month.
Really? Do you like it here so far?
Yeah, it's a great area. People are friendly.
See, the conversation is natural and friendly.
He didn't use complicated grammar, just simple sentences.
And always listen to what the other person says.
Right. That shows interest and respect. Step 4. Compliments the right way. Now, let's talk about compliments.
Everyone likes a compliment, but it must be natural and respectful.
For example, say, you have a nice smile, or you seem really friendly. You have good energy. I like your outfit.
And don't overdo it. 1 or 2 compliments is enough.
Yes, too many sounds fake. Like, your hair is amazing, your eyes are beautiful, your shoes are perfect, your...
Stop. That's too much, Tom.
Yeah, that's too much. Keep it natural.
Let's do a little role play.
Example 3. Natural compliment. As boy, I like your style. That color looks great on you.
As girl, oh, thank you. I just bought this shirt yesterday.
Really? It suits you.
Simple, positive, confident.
And here's a pronunciation tip. It suits you means it looks good on you. Say it with us.
It suits you.
Good. Step 5, ending or continuing the talk. Now, the conversation went well. What's next?
The boy can end politely, or he can invite her for coffee.
Let's look at both ways.
Option 1, ending politely.
It was really nice talking to you. I hope you have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Perfect if the girl seems busy or shy.
Or option 2, coffee invitation. As boy, it was really nice talking to you. Maybe we can have a coffee sometime?
Yeah, sure. That would be nice.
Great. There's a coffee place right over there.
Let's go.
And that's how it works.
Scene 2, the coffee bar. So now they're sitting in a coffee bar, chatting.
The boy can continue the conversation with small, friendly talk.
For example, so what do you do? Do you study or work? What kind of music do you like? Do you like coffee or tea?
Let's make a fun short dialogue.
Example 4, in the coffee bar.
So, do you like coffee or tea?
I like both, but today I want a cappuccino.
Oh, nice choice. I'm a latte guy.
Latte guy? That sounds funny.
Yeah, it means I drink too much milk.
See, small jokes make the talk fun and friendly.
And laughter makes everyone relaxed. Step 6, review and practice. Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
Step 1, say hello politely.
Step 2, give a reason to talk.
Step 3, ask simple questions.
Step 4, give one nice compliment.
Step 5, end politely or invite for coffee.
And step 6, be confident, be kind, and smile. Because when you smile, your English gets better automatically.
That's true.
Bonus tips for learners. Let's give our viewers a few quick tips before we finish.
Sure. Don't use slang words you don't understand. Speak slowly and clearly. Keep good body language, don't stand too close.
If the girl isn't interested, smile, say have a nice day, and walk away politely.
Exactly. That shows confidence and respect. And remember, even if your English isn't perfect, effort is attractive.
Absolutely. Girls like confidence, not perfect grammar.
Ending. So, dear students, next time you see someone interesting, don't be afraid to talk.
Just say, excuse me, hi, and start a friendly chat.
You never know, maybe your English lesson will turn into a love story.
That's the best kind of homework.
Thank you for watching Super English Lessons.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice your English every day.
See you next time.
Bye.